its magic, calm and real. We are the guardians, the watchers of time, nature and metal in perfect rhyme. No more destruction, no more delay. We love this planet, forever will stay.